I'm now going to show you the importance of how to manage code conflicts and merge conflicts. So when you're working on a project, if you don't often pull to get changes that other people have made and you continue to work on your code, you can sometimes get conflicts. So to demonstrate this, I've made a direct change in the code online just for the demonstration, which is here to this line of code. That is different to the code that's here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a change to this. I am then going to go and push these changes. It's going to tell me that the local repository is out of date. So what I'm going to need to do is cancel, and I'm going to then have to pull. Okay, so what it's going to show me here is the conflict. So on the left is your local change, and on the right is what's online. So how you resolve this issue is this little question mark, and you will need to make a choice. So for this one, we're going to choose what's online. And then we will pull. And then that gets the update. I will now reintroduce different writing. And I can then, as per normal, now that I've incorporated the changes that were made before my work, I can now commit. I can select that file. I can see what has been changed. So on the left is my code, on the right is what's online. And I can now go add my most up-to-date changes. And I will push that to remote, and I will commit it. That is done. I now go back to Bitbucket, and I can see the change there. And that's this tutorial. Thank you.